but as soon as we took off from Bengaluru for Delhi, the takeoff was really very tough. Because I guess while takeoff, I have never experienced anything of that sort. But like there have been harsh landings, but during takeoff, I have not, I did not experience anything of that sort. But that day, our takeoff was really tough because I guess because of the weather conditions, maybe because there might not be any other reason other than that. But yes, so we took off from there, and takeoff was a bit difficult. But after takeoff, the flight was okay. While we were cruising, it was all good. But the moment we started descending for Delhi, and when we had to land in Delhi, the captain started descending. It was really very tough. It was really very tough. Like we were trying to secure the cabin because it was little bumpy. But then the moment during when we were securing the cabin, you can't imagine. It was like if I would have not holding on to something. I couldn't stand without any support, without holding on to something. So that's why I was just holding on overhead bits, and I was walking and I was securing the cabin. So thankfully I was holding that. Otherwise I would have just bumped into the ceiling. And it was that bumpy. It was that turbulent because of the bad weather conditions. And on that day, so many flights were cancelled, and so many flights got delayed departures, delayed arrivals. But yes, I know that not only me, that day the other crew members, the other passengers who were traveling to Delhi must have been experiencing the same thing. I know that only our aircraft was not about to land in Delhi. There must be like other aircrafts also lined up for the landing, but it was really very tough. And after that, I was in the mid of the cabin. I was securing the cabin, and the turbulence was really very bad. So my lead told me to just sit there. I sat down there holding the handrest of the seat, of the corner seat, of the aisle seat. And obviously the passengers were very much horrified. They were scared that what is this happening and why is this happening. So we were still okay with this because we were all prepared well in advance. We were briefed about it in our pre-flight briefing that the weather conditions will be really very bad. So you need to be prepared for that. So we were prepared, but still we were scared. And while the captain was trying to make an approach for landing, it was really very scary. And now when I am getting to know about this incident of Air India aircraft crash, I can totally relate to that situation. That when the captain would have been trying for the approach to land, and he again thought that he should go around and wait for the clearance and wait for the weather conditions to get better, and then he should land and everything. Like I could totally relate to that.